teach the children how they should live, and they will remember it.
But if any man provide not for his own children, is worse than an infidel. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party hard, and your children are suffer like dog. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party hard, and your children are suffer like dog.
You are worried about makeup and ear for your head, and you pick the shoes a bake bread.
You are worried about makeup and ear for your head, and you pick the shoes a bake bread. You are worried how your shoes look, and you them not a school book. Flossing boss are your slogan, and you them that bad program. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party hard, and your children are suffer like that. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you fit the dance and a party hard, and your children are suffer like that. Pull up, Burberry tag. You them book in a scandal bag. Full of tattoo, nose a bore, and the big skin full up a sore. Every late night, gone a street, and you them no food for eat. You a chat about the latest beat, and you them not a good sheet. Take care of your kids, them. Take care of your children. Oh, you for the dance and a party hard, and your children suffer like that. Pull up.
Good. That was, of course, the Super Twins, Ngozi and Tafari Wright, delivering a very powerful message, of course, around taking care of your children. Take care of your children. The twins, who are no stranger to small Jamaica, are here along with their father, Omar and Omar Wright, to talk more about their song and what they've been doing since they last graced the Smile stage. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing?
Good rising, good rising.
Thank you.
Good, we're glad to have you guys back. Let's start with you, Daddy.
Yes.
How have you been and how have they been since the last time they were here?
Yeah, we've been well, you know. Just keeping up the work, delivering the message wherever we go, as you can see. So we give thanks to the Most High. We've been well.
Good. You know, as a parent and as a father more specifically, I'm always happy to see dads and their children engaging in all sorts of activities that bring them together. For you, Ngozi, what do you like most about, you know, being able to interact with your brother and your dad in this way?
Well, it's always so amazing to be able to just share a stage with some of the closest people in my life. It's amazing, really. It's fun and exciting.
Good. And for you, Tafari, I mean, what's the best part of this kind of interaction, of doing music and performing?
Doing something lovely with my family and friends.
Amazing stuff. Now, what would have caused or inspired this particular song?
Just life, you know, because I write based upon what we experience, what we see. You know, life is my inspiration. So this is something that we see everywhere, you know, children being abused, not being taken care of, you know.
Yeah.
So we just address it lyrically and hope that the message reach the right ears, you know.
Of course. Do you guys help with writing some of the songs?
Sometimes.
Yeah, man, they're starting to.
Good. Now, where do you guys see yourselves in the next 5-10 years?
Well, what I want to be as my future career would be the first female Governor General of Jamaica. But as you know, like, Jamaica is moving away from the government. Jamaica might soon become a republic. So I might have to think of another unique
You could be president. Yeah, you could be president. That's amazing. And for you, Tafari, what's your long-term vision? How do you see yourself in the future?
I would like to be a pilot, both a musician.
A pilot and musician. Oh, that's
sing
nice.
on the plane for the
yeah,
passengers.
of course he's going to sing on the plane. That was it like, I mean, raising these twins, these super twins.
Well, it's life, you know, so ups and downs, joys and challenging at time, you know. But we roll with the punches and we celebrate the joys, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah. In terms of performances, what would you say is your favorite for you and Ngozi and for you, Tafara? What's your favorite performance or even song to perform?
Well, my favorite thing to perform is Hey Big Man or Every Black Girl Can Win because, well, Every Black Girl Can Win, it has a very powerful message because black children, you know, we need to uplift and empower each other. And it's basically speaking about that. And Hey Big Bad, it has also a very powerful message. As you know, children are getting raped and abused all about everywhere. So it would be nice to just share such a powerful message to like just let them know, stop what you're doing. It's not right.
Yeah. Do you share the same thing, Tafari? Those are two of your favorites, or you have two other songs that you like to perform?
Well, my two other songs are Take Care of Your Kids and what's it called? Move Your Body.
Move Your Body. Why do you like Move Your Body?
Because it's showing you to move, dance and show happiness.
Good. Who's the better dancer?
Me.
Why do you think that is, Daddy? Why would she say she's a better dancer?
Well, I would give it a tough
Yeah?
in the early parts, but no, she take over the dancing thing, you know? Tough get more laid back.
Yeah.
People see him act shy and thing, but in the house, big dancer, man, you know?
Good.
Tough ravers.
That's hilarious. Now, you performed, and Ngozi performed at last year's Heroes Day celebration. You were recently on the Snow on the Island Music Festival, and so many other events. How's that been? I mean, let me tell you, I attend concerts, I used to MC concerts, and I know it's not easy at all. How do you guys manage these big occasions?
Well, how I manage these big occasions? Well, it's just so fun. As I said, it's really exciting.
Right.
Just to go up there and just, you know, to share a powerful message is always just really fun. And I love to tour. I love to perform because doing this is something that I love. So once you're doing something that you're really passionate about, there's like no double thinking. You just immediately want to do it.
Yeah. How do you prepare yourself, Tafari, to go on stage, to go on tour, and to, you know, be in the studio and perform?
What I would say is, if you have two performances at a time, first you wake up early to go to another, you might have to go late to the other, but it still have a joy and feeling both performances.
Amazing stuff. Listen, you guys are super talented, and I cannot wait to see you on stage again. Daddy, when next can we expect to see them on stage? Got any bookings yet?
Not as yet, you know? So we'll just roll with the flow.
Right.
And wherever the Most High lead us, we'll be there, you know?
Amazing.
Yeah,
thank you so much for being here with us this morning. The Super Twins, Ngozi and Tafari, right along with their dad, well, Major Bless.
Yes.
Coming up, transforming inner cities into winner cities. Stay with us.